Hello everyone, welcome to Study Work. Yes, today we designed the Spur Gear with using the half house toolbox. Yes, let's start together. Okay, yes, first just select on setting and select click this point. Yes, select this one and select SolidWorks toolbox library. Yes, select click OK. Yes, select design libraries. Yes, toolbox. Yes, and select ISO. Yes, I have a lot of yeah. Yes, select ISO and select the tool. Yes, select on power transmission. Yes, select gear and select yes right mouse and click on create part. Yeah. Yes, we get like this. Yeah. Now enter the module. Yeah. File property. Yeah. Enter number. Yeah. Number of teach. Yeah. It is the hub style. Yes. We have the type B. Yeah. Type B is like this. Yeah. And type C. Type C. The picture is like this. Yeah. Now we choose the type A. Okay. And nominal. Yes. 20. Yes. Nominal size diameter. Yes. And keyword select on square one. Yeah. Show teach. Yeah. 20. Yes. Square one. Yes. Yes. Okay. Click OK. Yeah. We get the gear like this. Yeah. Yes. Now we can design to another option that you want. Yes, select the surface sketch and select normal tool. You have right click. You have display grids. Okay, select on cycle and draw the cycle from the origin. You have exit. Yeah. Select center line. Yeah. Draw from the center of cycle to origin. Yes. Exit. Yeah. Insert smart dimension. Yeah. And this line. Yeah. 25 mm. Okay. And this cycle 15 mm. Okay. Yes. Exit. Yes. Select skirt extrude. Yes. Feature and select extrude cut. Yeah. Select through all. Yeah. Click OK. Yeah. Okay. We get like this. Yeah. Yes. And select on circular pattern. Okay. Select the surface and select the parameters. Select this point. Enter the number of distance. Yeah, 5. And select this surface. Yeah. And click OK. Yes, now we get like this. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Select the surface. Sketch. Yes, select no more tool. Yes, select cycle, draw cycle from origin. Yeah, draw one more cycle. Yes, yeah, click OK. Add smart dimension. Yes, the outside call is 78, and this side call 30 mm. Okay, yeah, right click. Yes, is it click skirt extrude. Yes, and click extrude cut. Yes, inter dips. Yes, 8 mm. Yes, click OK. Yes, now we get like this here. Yes, yes, yes. Now select on plan, reference geometry, select plan. Yes, and select on plan 3. Yes, and enter offset. Yes, 15 mm, and click OK. Yes, yes, and select mirror. Oh no, sorry. Yeah, select on cut extrude 2. Yeah, select mirror. Yes, and select the plan 4. Yes, click OK. Yes, oh now we got like this. Yes, finish for mirror. Yes, the front and behind is the same. Yeah, yeah, okay. Yeah, we can select on tool and select on evolve. Yes, select on math property. Yes, to see the mass of this gear. Yeah, and you can add the color. Yeah, yes, select this one and select on organics. Yes, select on water. Yes, and select on still water 2D. Yes, okay. Yes, now we get like this. Yeah. Yes, we can change the background color. Yes, select on yes. Yes, now finish for Spur Gear design. Okay, so preview. Yes, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more video design. Yeah, thank you very much. Yes, okay, goodbye everyone. Yeah.